Quizlet is an American online study application that allows students to study various topics via learning tools and games. Quizlet trains students via flashcards and various games and tests. As of February 6, 2009, Quizlet has over 300 million user-generated flashcard sets with more than 550 million active users. You can log in to Quizlet using your email account, your Facebook or Apple ID. In my case, I will log in using my Google account, or you can either sign up using Google or Facebook. As I've already signed up an account, I will use my Google Classroom, Google email, this one. After you have created your own class, you can either import new sets of questions or create your own. For example, in my case, just to explain, I created a new set, which is the Philippine presidents and their contributions. This one. You can either use them as a flashcard, for example, leader of Filipino independence against Spain, which is Emilio Aguinaldo. And you can test your students using this. And you can either use it as a game, like this one, matching type, or the gravity. Now, what if now you can gather other sets from other teachers, for example, Philippine history, readings in Philippine history, Philippines history. You can use their own flashcards, their own sets for your teaching history. Yeah, you can create classes here in this tab. Create class, description, class name, and you create folders to organize your sets. And this one, you can easily connect your sets to Google Classroom. Just make sure that your Google account is correct, and it will automatically send you to the tab of Google Classroom. In here, you can add your members, which are in which your students, and this tab. And that's it for the utilization of Quizlet as an instructional materials.